Beneath the crystal clear waters of the ocean, a vibrant world comes to life. Coral reefs, a kaleidoscope of colors, stretch as far as the eye can see. Delicate coral formations sway with the gentle current, providing shelter for a multitude of marine creatures. Schools of tropical fish dart in and out, painting the water with flashes of iridescent hues. Anemones dance in harmony with resident clownfish, while graceful sea turtles glide above. This underwater paradise is a testament to the extraordinary beauty of marine life.